True or false? Okay, so where are those three?
On the 10th of March 2024, the head of State Award Scheme, OBUASI Sectech Center, embarked on a silver and bronze adventures journey to Amasi, a small mining town in the OBUASI East District. The land and the waters are all polluted due to the illegal mining activities going on in the forest. Close to the town is the Jimisu Water Treatment Plant, which spends huge sum of money to treat few liters of water. In response to these challenges, a team from the OBUASI STEM Club is developing an innovative and sustainable water purification system that can effectively remove contaminants while minimizing energy consumption and environmental impact. Integrating renewable energy sources with natural filtration techniques, which presents a promising solution to address these pressing needs. My name is Sapon Esther, and I am a member of the OSTSTM Club, and I'll be taking you through our project. Our project is titled Deployment of In-Super Technique using Microturbines, and these are the objectives of our project work. 1. Harness the power of water pressure and the sun energy to generate electrical energy using microturbines and a dual-axis solar tracker. 2. Purify contaminated water using a multi-stage natural filtration process. 3. Determine the quality and the pH levels of the water using turbidity and pH sensors. Our project is powered by 4 microturbines producing a maximum of 24 volts, 500 mA, augmented with a dual-axis solar panel producing 12 volts, 500 mA, necessary to power the entire system. Our automated system employs 6 sensors, 12 actuators, and 3 microcontrollers. This is arguably the biggest project our club has built. The project consists of the energy generation system and the water purification system. We are using microturbines fitted to a tank representing the dam to generate electrical energy. The design of the turbines is different from the traditional turbines. A brushless motor attached to a spiral blade is used in the design of the turbines and does not decrease the pressure flowing in the pipes and make it efficient in energy generation. Voltmeter and an ammeter are used to record the voltages and currents of these hybrid renewable energies. The filtration section is made up of the primary filtration section and the secondary filtration section. The primary filtration section comprises of the separation tank, where solid particles are separated from the water and allowed to settle for some time before it is sent to the first filtration tank. The first filtration tank has coarse sea sand filled with fine sea sand, and the second filtration tank has activated charcoal filled with fine sea sand. The secondary filtration section comprises of the aeration tank, where air is blown to the water to provide oxygen to bacteria for treating and stabilizing the wastewater. Now, let's get ready to try the work. We will be washing the sea tank and the activated charcoal very well so that our purified water will be clean. We are done fixing the work, and Israel is showing us the parts, and everybody is anxiously watching. He started with the panel or the controls. This houses all the microcontrollers, the relays, the LCD displays, and the circuitries of the sensors. Then we have monitoring tank, which checks the quality and pH levels of the water with 2 high pressure pumps, which will pump the purified water to the river when the sensors values meet their threshold values. Else, the return pump pumps the unclean water back to the first filtration tank. It also has an ultrasonic sensor that triggers this action by checking the level of the water in the tank. He also shows us the aeration tank, which has an air blower and a mixer. He also touches the first and the second filtration tank. In this video, the entire solar tracker did not rotate. This is because it was still morning. One good thing about this project is that it has 2 flow rate sensors, one for measuring the water from the river and the other for measuring the water from the tank. This enables us to know how much water was lost due to the purification process. Now let's watch the demonstration. Mate will pollute the water. He again pollutes the clean water in the monitoring tank. After a long purification, the filters become dirty and, if not checked, can cause the water in the monitoring tank to be unclean. Our demonstration was successful, although, but I personally think we can do more to improve this work. And so, we call on everyone who is interested in clean water to join hands with us to make this project a success. Thank you.